Ripple XRP Ripple coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're feeling good, guys. In this video, again, I'm talking about XRP Ripple coin. What's going on? What's the price update? And in this video, I'm talking about a technical analysis of XRP. A lot of people ask me questions about XRP. That what will be the next move of XRP? Is in the future there's a possibilities that XRP price will pump. So we talk about that. Keep watch this video complete for more and better understanding, guys. Anyways, please, guys, again I request everybody, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more update and newest videos about XRP Ripple coin. So let's start the video, guys. First of all, now if we talk about the XRP right now price, so 1.04 USD dollar. Oh my god, now XRP is about to make a huge move, guys. XRP hit a $1 dollar in October, guys. It is just a beginning. As I predicated XRP in my previous videos that XRP price will highly pump in October, guys. So now it is October and you can see here the move of XRP that very fastly. Now my target for XRP is about to $2 dollar in October month. What do you think? Can they hit it $2 dollar in October or not? Just tell me your opinion in the comment box, guys. Anyways, furthermore, if we talk about the changes update, so you can see your 9%, 9.46% the price of XRP pump just in last 7 days and last 1 hour. But you can see also after the pump the XRP price jumped yesterday. Yesterday the price of XRP falls for some time, not a permanently falls, guys. Don't take it serious, that is temporary falls. And a lot of people also ask me this question is about XRP that what should we do now the price falls down, what should. So I recommend for everybody, especially for my holders, that the profit opportunity never every time. Now it is a unique opportunity for all of you, especially for XRP holders, guys. So now in this opportunity I recommend holding is a very big chance for all of you. If you hold, so you will get a huge profit. Other side, if you decide to sell, so nothing you will get, guys. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos.